Alright, good morning everyone. Back out at the field today. It's Warbird Wednesday. Got a E-Flight Spitfire down there. Got the Tower Hobbies F6 Hellcat. And got the Freewing P-51 Okro. This will be flight number 2 on it. And non-Warbird, but got the little mini stick here too. Flew that for the first time the other day. And man, what a great flying airplane that is. So let's look at this Okro again. We got the maiden flight in the books. Had a sketchy landing on it. Had a depth perception problem over here on the field, thinking that I was in the rough, and went to abort at the last minute, and then decided, well, you know, I think I'm actually in the clear, so I went ahead and set it down. So it's a little tough. So let's try for a better landing today. But man, just wanted you to look at these lights. These things are incredibly bright. Now, if you look around here at the field, it's not 100% daylight yet, but so those lights are shining out a lot better. Wingtip lights, we have red strobe on going, and green strobe. There's nothing on the top and nothing on the bottom in the back, so that's the only lights. I thought this had a clear constant on, and I don't see it. Now these wingtip lights, you can go into the LED controller and plug them in a different slot and they'll be on constant, but again, I thought it did have a clear that was on constant, and then you could run these as flashers, but not the case. Alright, stand by, we'll get the Okro out as soon as it gets a little lighter. Alright, got the P-51 on deck. Gonna be flying out on low rates on the ailerons, and gonna go ahead and use high rate on the elevator and the rudder. May drop that down once it's in the air. Check the flaps. Looks good. Yeah, let's see. On the maiden flight, it was very tail heavy, but I had a pretty light 3300 battery in it. Manual calls for a 36 to a 4000. Now this one is an old zippy 4000 pack that I've got, so hopefully it's not going to give us any problems. Alright, flight number 2 of the Okro. This will be no flaps. Takeoff, just want to see how it rolls out. Nose is up. A little couple ticks of trim due to that heavier pack. And again, this is the Admiral telemetry receiver. Let's get a shot of those landing lights. Man, there's some good looking lights. Gear going back up. Still in high rates on the elevator, and it definitely causes it to be a little more twitchy. There's a high speed pass. Full throttle right there, going vertical. Still climbing. And she just ran out. Mosquitoes are pretty good out here already. I do not have a good strap down on the battery. It's just being held in with a small tab of Velcro. The strap isn't long enough, really. The one that comes with the plane just isn't long enough to put anything in there. 120 feet on the altitude. Yeah, it's just held in with one small tick of Velcro, so definitely not going to do anything crazy with it. Alright, it shows we've got about a minute left.
Time remaining 1 minute. Altitude 149 feet.
149 feet. I think that's a little off, based on my best guess. I would have said that was probably no more than 80 or so feet. Of course, I don't know what the delay is on the reporting. If it's reporting real time when it says it, or if it took the reading 5 seconds before or something. Now it's a little better. 102 feet. I think it's within 20, maybe 30 feet. Alright, do a gear pass here. There's a timer. However, with a 4,000 pack, we should be good for a couple of passes if we need to make them. Come down here to the end of the field. This will be an attempt with no flaps. That's much better than the first landing, I can tell you that. I probably got enough to go up again, but I don't think I will. Started to, but decided, let's get a reading on this battery first. It is an old pack. Alright, second flight of the P-51 Oak Crow from Freewing. Got the big landing lights going on there, looking real good. Alright, thanks for watching.